welcome back to Better with Brigetta. And today we're going to make Italian wedding soup. Now, truth be told, I never had this when I was growing up. It wasn't until I was an adult that I finally tried it, and I love it. You might have had it in a can, like from Progresso. That's good, but this recipe's better. So we're going to start off with making the meatballs, and I'm going to assemble all the ingredients. Our ground meat, our pork, and all the measurements are going to be in the description box, and they're going to be on the screen also. Breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, or if you like something different like pecorino romano, you could use that instead. Parsley. Fresh, use fresh parsley. 2 eggs. Pepper. Oregano. And salt. And then we're going to mix it together. We want to try not to overwork it, but we just, like I said, want to get everything incorporated to make great meatballs. Okay, I'm going to start making my meatballs. I've got the scoop. Makes it very handy to get them all about the same size. And you want that so they'll cook evenly. Just roll them around the palm of your hand. I've rolled all the meatballs, and now we're ready to cook them on the stove. We're gonna need some oil, probably about 1 tablespoon. But they look pretty good, don't they? They're almost all the same size. And I also want to say, you can use frozen meatballs. If you're short on time, that's fine. Frozen meatballs are fine. If you have a chance, make these. All right, we're going to the stove. This recipe makes a lot of meatballs. So if you decide not to use them all, once they're cooked, you can freeze half of them and use them another time. Our meatballs are cooked, and they're resting on a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. So now we're going to get to the soup part. And now we're ready to make the soup. So first we're going to put in the oil. And then we're gonna add our onions. Let that sizzle. And our carrots. And our celery. Oh man, it smells good and it looks good. Let that cook for a few minutes. Gotta get my cartons. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And I found this at the store. This is new. Savory Infusions herb roasted chicken base. So I'm gonna try that. But previously, I would use the chicken bouillon. Now be careful, these are very salty, but they do give it a great taste. Okay, we don't want to add too much. So next we're going to add our pasta. This is Acini de Pepe, a very small pasta. Let me show you, let me put some on my hand so you can see how small it really is. And interesting story is my mom never used this pasta unless we were sick. She would make this pasta and put it in chicken broth, and that was like her version of just making chicken soup. And it always seemed to work. We always felt better. Okay, we're gonna stir that around. Oh my gosh, smells good. It looks good. We need to add the meatballs. We're probably gonna only add about half. And by the way, we already tried the meatballs. They're good. Somebody might be trying more of them.
Mama Brigetta.
All right, I'm gonna try the soup, see if it needs any more salt or pepper. Then we're gonna add our spinach. I don't think so. I think it's good. All right, let's add the spinach. This is about 6 ounces. It looks like a lot, but it's going to shrink down. Oh, that looks good.
You don't talk?
Oh, I thought you were talking. Now now it's time to eat our Italian wedding soup. And we have some Parmesan Reggiano cheese to put on top, if you like.
Nice.
Freshly grated. It's great with that, but it's even better with it.
I could smell these meatballs this afternoon. Wow.
We've already tried some meatballs.
Yes.
More than a few.
Oh, this looks great. I love these little mini meatballs.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Wow.
The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye, friends.
Bye.